Hi, welcome to Learn New channel. This is Krishna. So today we are going to discuss about the Power BI license type. What is the license? Why license is required? So that's all we are going to discuss about today's session. So in any scenario, if you can take any kind of scenario, so we should be having some premium. Suppose in the recent, if you can see platforms, OTT platforms, Amazon and Hotstar and Netflix, all these will be having their free versions for 1 month, and then later on they will be asking to update to pay some premium amount like that. So Power BI also will provide some features like service related features. So for 2 months, it's called a pro trial. Then later on there is a pro, and then a premium. It's a different concept with related to the licenses. So what are all the basic licenses available in Power BI? Now, why we are talking about these licenses before this Power BI architecture and before this Power BI start of this desktop features and desktop thing. So because licenses is the mandatory for Power BI, because so if you don't have a license and you are working on Power BI environment, so if you don't have a license, you can't able to I mean, you can manage with your pro tile, but it's only limited period. Then later on, if you don't have a license, you can't able to work on Power BI service level. You can't able to publish your report into Power BI service, and then you can't able to work, and you can't able to utilize your features in the Power BI service. So that's why these licenses are important, basically. So let me open a notepad, and we can type what are the licenses available. So in Power BI, if you can say, first of all, Power BI Pro Trial. So Power BI Pro Trial, and then so it is basically available for 60 days Pro Trial. So Power BI Pro Trial, and then Power BI Pro. So which is a paid version. So which is around $9.99, basically, if you can say $9.99 amount monthly we have to pay this one. And Power BI Premium. So if you can say Power BI Premium. So this is the premium which is having different kind of capacities. It's a premium. It is basically if you can see, these first two are related to user level. So once you purchase, and you can assign a license to pro license to your email ID, your organization email ID in Office 365, or if you can say Office 365 or Azure portal. So that basically admin team or building team, they can assign. So whereas the premium, it is not a user related license. It is simply you can say the capacity license. So capacity, in the sense, it's a kind of container. So where we will be able to get a lot of storage, and then which is assigned a lot of storage, which will be having features. I'll let you know what are the differences between Pro and how this capacity replaces. In Pro, you can having schedule refreshes item for a day, but whereas you using Premium, it will be 48 times you can schedule your report. Data refresh, automatical data refresh. That's where the Premium comes into the picture. And also, if you doesn't have Pro license, where the Premium capacity workspace is available, then in that the report, if there in the premium capacity actually, you can share it to the who doesn't have pro license also. They can able to see the content of that particular report. That's where the premium capacity is one of other feature available apart from Power BI Pro into premium capacity. So in the capacity level, there are different kind of capacities available: P1, P2, P3. These are the levels. So based on the level, storage will be changed, course will be changed, and amount will be changed. So the last one is like a Power BI embedded. So embedded. So Power BI embedded is also, so it is basically, if you'd like to host your content into external site applications, like so you are working on some XYZ company, then you created your report and you want to place your report into xyz.com. So in that case, we need embedded report into the external company XYZ. So that's where we will be having this embedded license. So these licenses we can call it as EM1, EM2, like that. EM2, like that, we'll be having these licenses. The last but not least, the premium per user basically. So premium per user is another kind of license. So where currently Microsoft is working on this one. So either you go for premium or either you go for the premium per user. So here premium is a capacity you can assign it to workspace level, so that how many, I mean, there is no restriction for the users here particularly. So instead of pro, premium can use this. So your organization doesn't have capability to have to spend around 3 lakhs per month per single capacity, then in that case you can go for the premium user. So premium for user, so it would be around 1000 per 1000 or something. So I'll show you these prices as well. So let's quickly jump into the Microsoft documentation where we can see. So if you can see here, these are the different type of capacities basically, as I said. So before that, yeah, if you can see Power BI pricing, here Power BI Pro is it is an Indian currency, 720 rupees per month. So basically, if you can, as I said, $9.99, it's basically, you can consider on an average of 70 rupees, 70 US dollars, you can 720 rupees per month. And premium, it is 1440 rupees. So whoever doesn't able to handle the capability of this capacity, you can go for user wise. So this capacity, you can see 3,59,865 rupees per capacity. So if you can see all here, so all this can be, once you can directly purchase it from Microsoft site, or you can there would be sellers available, third party sellers available from Microsoft side. You can go them and ask and purchase for your company basically. So these are the Power BI Pro and the Power BI Premium Power BI capacity. So you can go down and let's see features. So what are the features available once you purchase Power BI Pro? I mean, you have scenarios, so you either need both Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium capacity. So if you don't want to go premium capacity, then you can just want to use premium, that's enough basically. So but most of the scenarios, Pro and premium capacity both required, if you can see. So what are all the things of the features are there in analytics part, you can see here. So this app access, report share, and page data reports, and customer content without a I mean, as I said, the end user doesn't have Pro license, you can still able to access, will have once premium capacity, that's where this one. So same report server content also you can able to access here with the premium capacity. And you can see that data handling part. So if you have Pro license, 1 GB can be supported in the Power BI desktop application. Basically you can say here in the desktop, right, binary application, that is 1 GB will allow, and 8 times a day you can do schedule replace. When you are having premium per user, it is 100 GB supported. So you can build your report, desktop report, and it's up to 100 GB, and then you can publish. You can, I mean, 100 GB in the sense. So either in your desktop application must be 10 GB, and then once you publish that into the service and you can do schedule replace, it supports 100 GB. So you can do 48 times in a day, and then 400 GB for capacity level. It is a premium for user level, it is a premium per capacity level. So it is also having 400 GB storage support, and then it would be it is also, you can schedule to 48 times in a day. So same embedded, we can see create report visualization, all whatever you can see in the dark circles, these all are the available, enabled. So once you come to the Pro, this advanced artificial intelligence is not supported with only with Pro, it's not supported. We don't supported premium and premium capacity. So once you have premium capacity, then this artificial intelligence will work for you. and then XML endpoint. So few of